So in this Apple Pages tutorial video, I will be showing you guys how to add a table of contents on the Pages iPhone application. So once the Pages app is opened up, if you were to go ahead and type right here, I'll just type in a table of contents. You're not going to get it. Now, if you want to get one, it's pretty simple. Press on the page right here on this middle bar, go to the right hand side and press on the plus icon. Once you're on the insert page, scroll down to where it says table of contents at the bottom and then select that. So once you're here, you can go ahead and actually type in the table of contents that you want to go ahead and just basically, fill it in from there. So pretty simple, pretty straightforward. That is how to add a table of contents to your page here on the Pages iPhone application. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.